Ambulance, what's full address of the emergency?
Hi. I need an ambulance to my house.
Okay, what's the address?
It's Llandaff.
Okay, is the patient awake?
No, I think, no. What, my friend.
Okay, is he breathing?
No, he's not. He's dead.
Come towards me. Come towards me.
The ambulance.
Where in there is he? Where in there is he?
Okay, wait, I know what's happening at the moment. I'm going to handcuff.
Wait. Where are we going then? Wait. In here?
Okay, so the time is 12:10, right? I'm now further arresting you on suspicion of murder, okay? So you remain under caution, so you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you don't mention when questioned. Don't put you later around in court, anything you do say may be given evidence, okay?